Going on, y'all? We're gonna dive back into the crypto markets real quick. A little update. We still got the lines drawn on there we done the other day, so we're gonna dig into that. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. If y'all finding this channel from an outside source or an ad, make sure y'all are subscribing to hit that future content. We'll get on into it. So we're gonna start with the BTC here in Bitcoin. We've still got these lines drawn that we drew a couple of days ago when we had the video, but we're at 39,747 right now, trending in that up line. We're right on that borderline, so I'm looking for a kick back up of this support line right here, and we're trading in this channel. So if we were to fall down from here, that'd be concerning. We'd have a little drop slightly below there. You can probably go ahead and adjust that just a little bit, probably more like that. So we're looking to come back up to here, and this would be the breakout. We're looking for a run, but we could also maintain this channel after breaking out here. We'll have to see when we get up to here, and we're probably looking at the next week to break this support line here, or to come back down, touch the bottom, and come back up. Could be around the 10th of May, 7th to the 10th of May. That's on Bitcoin. So now we're looking at Ethereum. We're in that channel still. Got this showing some support right here, but I do think Ethereum may come back down and hit this support line down here, and then we'll have a raise up. If we get a support right here, that'd be very bullish, and I consider a swing back up to here. We'd probably break through this other support line. But my original thinking is it's going to go down and hit this support. Could be about that 7 to 10 time frame in May, 7th to the 10th, somewhere in there. Maybe hit this bottom support. If we're going to go up now, say around that 7 time, we'd be up by this support. So we're at a level right now we just need to be paying attention to see which way this goes. EOS, I've been watching this one also. I have a fairly good bit of EOS. We're right on this channel right here, so I'm expecting to drop back down, hit this line here. If we can get broke out of this support, I'm really thinking we're going to get a run up. So y'all pay attention to EOS. Good buying opportunity would have been back here. This thing could pop back down, hit this. I could get in around $2.30, $2.34 before we have that run up. We could break out right here. We're gonna know in the next couple, probably hours or days. You know, probably in the next day we'll see where we're going, either up or down right here. I'm thinking we're gonna go down and hit this support line here before moving up. Probably bouncing off of this, meet about in the middle, and then come up. Probably going to be a little later on this one. I'm going to say mid-May maybe. We might get a breakout, but I'll be updating y'all before then. On the link chart now, got that major support line coming down here, and we got the bottom support line here. That thing's bouncing right up along that level. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing just continues on, slowly uptrending for the next 20 days. And then we'll see, either we're going to get a break up or a break down right there at the end of that triangle. So I'd keep an eye on that. But right now, I'd wait to buy in if we get a break above this level here. If we go below, probably going to see a fall down even lower, and that would be concerning. We'll go ahead and look at XLM here. We've got this support line we drew last week. Got another channel in here. I did draw this other support line. It's probably just gonna keep following that line, but we could get a sharper increase up. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. So we're following inside this channel. And EOS, or I'm sorry, XLM here. We trend up kind of like we did here. I think it'll be a little slower. Probably looking like mid-May. We might get back up here if we're going to fall back and hit this. Probably the end of April, and then possibly go up. I'm thinking around mid-May, we'll be back at the top here. We want to break out of this line for further movement up. We're getting into, if we pass some of these supports back here, if we pass this support at about 25 cents, I believe we're going to be looking for a major run right through there. We got to get up there first. All right, XRP we're going to go into. I've got this channel here, but even looking at this a little further, we're going to make another edit in here. And I believe we're just working in a triangle. And we can actually probably remove this. I think this is more like what we're doing here. So I have a triangle right there. I think that's more what's going on in the market right there with XRP. Of course, got that lawsuit going on with XRP and the SEC. I think that thing will be wrapping up in the next 2 months, and I believe XRP will probably be the winner. And lining up with this triangle, taking it out 2 months. That's going to be around 12th of July. So we could be looking at a breakout there if this thing just kind of comes back up in here and then pops out. Also, you could come back and test this. Right now, I believe we're going up to probably around 80 cents before we have a correction back down. Possibly 73 or 72 cents. We're just going to feed off this triangle until we pass this line. I'm not buying, and I'm definitely not selling. This is the line to hold right here, so we need to break through this line, have a close above this support line here, probably around, let's say 80 cents or 80, probably looking like between 85 and 82 cents, depending on where we break out at. So that's XRP. So look at ETC, Ethereum Classic real quick. Got this support line here that you broke out March 18th, around there, March 18th, 19th. Had that big run up, staying inside this trend line. I believe we're hitting the bottom of it right now. So we're seeing a lot of support there. We're drawing in that support line. Back test on that. Fairly good support right there. So right now we're sitting at $36. I'm looking for a bounce off of this. We can come up to right about here, around $50. A correction, right down to about 45. Hit that support line again. Smooth selling up to about $70. Be conservative. $65 to $70. Should be seeing like a move about like that. It's possible with Ethereum Classic, which this thing went to 110 back in May of 2021. We've got out profits on that. And if you were buying in back down here at $24 after profiting off 110, you should get a real good position for any moves for it. So that's Ethereum Classic. So we got Dash Coin pulled up here. We're rocking off of this support line here. Inside that triangle. Following that line fairly well. So I believe Dash will continue up to bounce off of this support about $117 to $18 and then fall back about 107, and then we'll see if we're going to go up or down right there. We'll not be buying until we cross this support line here and close above that. You could always bounce down and close below this support line, which would look for a further downside. But I do believe we'll get to this support line and break out, if not on this pump up, the following, when we reach closer to this triangle, which is going to be around the 4th, 5th of May, probably, somewhere in there. So keep an eye on Dash right there. Dash's been compressed for a while inside this triangle now. So definitely if we pass this support line, a good buying opportunity. Definitely not financial advice, as none of these videos are. But if we get a breakout of this support line and close, say, around 120 or higher, probably going to be buying in right there. Alright, so a chart I want to bring up real quick. It's already made it run up, kind of show y'all what we're fixing to see with some of these other cryptocurrencies, where I do my analysis on these charts here. But again, it's a Zilliqa. So, see, we had that breakout around March 7th. And when we did, this thing ran. And about 21 days, had a top off of about 22 cents. 15 max on that. So, now it's starting to correct down. So this is how fast they're going to run, 20 days. I'm saying some of them are going to run quicker than that, 15 days. And this is correction, so we're probably going to see another run up. We've not hit those all-time highs back in May 21. And that was the top of that channel. If we're breaking out of this, I believe we got further to go. I'm not buying in though. I don't have any of this particular cryptocurrency. But you can see what kind of run we got there. Went from 4 cents, really about 3.5 cents, up to 22, 23 cents. And if you notice that top off right there was right around where the May highs are. We get a correction down. We're probably going to see another run. But I'm going to stay out of this one. I'm not getting into it. So I would have loved to have been a buyer back in here. That's when you wanted to get into this one. Sell up here. This thing could run up some more. I just want to cover that real quick, kind of see what we're looking for on these other cryptocurrencies, so you are aware of it. And we're actually going to go back a little bit. Go back to Ethereum Classic. Show you this May run up, the 2021 May run up that we had. Where this thing, there was your little channel right there, your triangle. I can draw that up on there for you. Very small triangle. And we broke out of. And this thing from 29th of March, I would say, up to around May 3rd. Big run up. Went from around $13, $12, $13 after breakout to 178. Probably about 180, I think, is what it went up to. And we did get a good gain off of this crypto here, and we sold. It was over $100 we had sold. We'd bought in down here. But that's the kind of gains you're looking at. And look, that was less than a little over a month. So about 30, 35 days. That big a gain. So it's something to be prepared about. And and we did not get back in ETC after this run, even after it went down in here. Probably been a good entry point when it broke out of this channel here to re-enter, which we did not. Could get in if we hold resistance right here on this channel. Could be a good thing to get in. So we'll take a quick look over on CoinMarketCap. Got Bitcoin, of course, #1 right now. Today it's down 1.60%. You see the graph right there. We're still above our channel right there. Ethereum, I'm sorry, down 2.21%. Got Tether maintaining that consistency of being a stable. So BNB, $407.58, down 2.40%. USD stablecoin right there, #5. XRP, got the ongoing lawsuit. We're at 75 cents right now, down 2.77% right there. Still up on the week, 0.35. Solana here, $100.60, down 1.49%. Cardano ADA, 92 cents, down 3.16%. You got Terra, it's going to be 78.13 and down 3.43%. Following out the top 10, Avalanche down 1.89% at $76.19. We'll go to the top 24-hour percentages. You have DCR, had a great run up today, almost 30%, sitting at 73.14. So people are going to be looking to take profits probably on that coin. We could have a bounce back down and then a bounce up for a top. You got FTT up 4.49%. Had a nice run up a day or two ago there. Or actually that's probably, yeah, it's looking like that's in the last 7. Yeah, it's probably about yesterday or so. But audio coming in #3, top gainer of the day. 2.27%, sitting at $1.34. Got Monero at 4, top gainer of the day. XMR, $238.75. It's up 1.07%, leading out the top 5 gainers in the last 24 hours. Leo, $5.89. 0.99% gain. So it's giving you a little breakdown of the markets right now. So that was just a little quick update on the cryptocurrency market in the last little bit, you know. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn those post notifications on. Don't forget to like this video, comment below what y'all's favorite cryptocurrency is. And if you think the market is going up or down, just put up or down. So y'all check out these other videos we got going on. You see them over here to the side. And y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.